Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how you can integrate Node-RED with MQTTHQ Cloud and free MQTT broker for the IoT developers. So if you visit the MQTTHQ website, then on the main page you will see the MQTTHQ broker setting, the broker URL, the TCP port, okay, and the WebSocket port and the WebSocket path. So now we are going to integrate this MQTT broker with our Node-RED. So let's see how you can use this broker to exchange the data between your publisher and the subscriber. So here is my Node-RED. I'm going to use the MQTT out node for publisher, and I'm going to use MQTT in node for my subscriber. And here I'm going to take the inject node to inject the timestamp on the MQTT broker topic. Okay, and here in the MQTT publisher node we are going to configure our MQTTHQ broker configuration. So quality of service we are going to use is 0, and this is publisher, and the topic is payload topic. Okay, and we are going to use the MQTTHQ free MQTT broker. So here we are specifying MQTTHQ MQTT broker, and here we have to provide the server IP address or MQTT broker host ID. So I can copy the host ID from here, public.mqtthq.com. I'm going to paste it here, and here is the port number. This public MQTT broker doesn't have any username and password to connect. Okay, it's an open MQTT broker without any username and password. You can connect with this MQTT broker. So we are not going to provide any username and password for connection. We just provide the server name and the port number. Okay, and we will press on add, and we will click on this done. After that, in the subscriber, we are going to again using the topic payload topic. Okay, and we are going to connect with the MQTTHQ MQTT broker, and we will press on done. Here we will add one debug node to display the output of our topic. Okay, and we will display output on the node status. And here also I'm going to add one more debug node, that which payload we are going to publish to our MQTT topic. Okay, to see that. So that's it, we can deploy our flow. Okay, here you can see it is connected. Now we can inject on the timestamp node to exchange the data between our publisher and the subscriber. Now if I inject the timestamp, you can see the data is something like this, and here also you can see the same data. Okay, so our Node-RED is connected to this MQTTHQ broker, public MQTT broker, and the subscriber is getting the data from the topic which we have defined here, payload topic. Okay, and here also we have defined the same topic. If I want to publish any other data, okay, then I can edit this inject node to something else. So I'm going to select the string. We are going to publish hello message. Okay, we are going to press on done. We will deploy it again. Okay, it is connected, and now I can inject it, and here you can see we have a hello message, and here also we have the hello message. So this is how you can use Node-RED to connect with another cloud MQTT broker, which is by MQTTHQ, and here is the broker detail. So in the description I will provide this link. You can visit this link and you can use this MQTTHQ publicly available free MQTT broker for your developments and testing. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use Node-RED to connect with free MQTTHQ public MQTT broker. And if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can put your doubts in the comment section. So we will meet you in the next video with another free public cloud MQTT broker. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.